Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Apple Music Library Sync. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down in Settings and look for Music. Once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll down here and look for the option Sync with Phone. In order to fix the Apple Music Library, tap to turn on that option and then restart your phone. After that, your problem will be fixed successfully. If the issue persists, you may want to contact Apple support for further assistance. They can provide personalized help based on your account and device information. Remember to back up your data before attempting any advanced steps, and be cautious with options that involve resetting or erasing data. Always refer to the latest Apple support documentation for the most accurate and up-to-date information. And that's how you can fix Apple Music Library Sync. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.